here's how to use Google Maps for accurate directions and navigation. Now I'm going to show you a tip here as to how you can accurately go to a particular destination that you want. I'm gonna set this one as an example. So when I searched for this one way back when it was new, what happened was I used the Google Maps here, and what happened was it brought me to a market instead of this particular place right here. So I wanted to go here, but yeah, upon doing so, upon using Google Maps, it brought me to a marketplace. So that was really unkind and terrible idea. Now I'm gonna show you tips here as to how you can select an accurate direction. So what you are going to do is, first one, you can go ahead and scroll down to reviews. Usually when it is a wrong location, you should be able to see here reviews saying that it is not the right location, Google Maps is incorrect, and that you are going to most likely be redirected to something else or to a new place. Now, another thing that you can do is you're going to tap over this one right here, and as you can see, it is, yep, not the right location, right? However, if you're going to go ahead and scroll this, you should be able to see that one. So that's most likely going to be an entrance. Now you can close this one, and then you can go ahead and basically long press here, and then if you're going to head over here, yeah, let's check. There you go. So that is a parking lot. So you are now able to see that there is really something going on in here. Now what you're going to do is just confirm if you have the right location in here. Basically what we're seeing earlier is that one, right? So go ahead and confirm this one by doing so. And yep, after doing so, once you are sure that that is the right location, just go ahead and tap the directions in here. And what you're going to do is basically choose how you'd like to go here. So you have here by car, and then you have by motorcycle, and then you have here public transport. Although public transport, there's not really a way for us to go there. Yeah, again, I'm going to use car here, and then I'm going to hit the start button right there. And there you go. So now you have an accurate direction to go to that particular place of your choice. And that, everybody, is how you're going to use Google Maps for accurate directions and navigation.